Hello and welcome to my channel, Swiss Tesla Fan. Today I want to talk about an issue I've had with the car I got a few days ago. So basically, when I got the car, I immediately purchased a USB key to be able to activate the Dashcam functionality. And just after that I started charging the car, and I don't know exactly what happened, but I had a weird issue with the back camera first that just turned off while I was backing off. And then I had issues with the actual rest of the cameras. For example, what happened was that everything that you see here, lane detection and the camera detecting cars and so forth, none of that was working. Even the windshield wipers and the light controls wouldn't work. So I was quite worried there, and I read on the forums that it could be related to the USB dashcam functionality. So I tried pulling that out, and I also saw ways to reset the car. Basically, you can hit these two buttons here while the car is stopped, and that will perform a soft reset if you hold them for a short while. And if you want to do a hard reset, you hold the brake pedal at the same time. All this, of course, needs to be done when the car is stopped. And that way it'll reset the car. But despite that, that actually didn't help the problem. And excuse me, I'm gonna have to change lanes here soon. Alright, so even that didn't solve the problem. So I saw that some people said that after the car went in sleep mode, some problems would go away. So I decided to try to do that, and in order to get it in sleep mode, I had to deactivate Sentry mode, because Sentry mode would keep the car awake all the time. And so I did that, and suddenly the problem was gone. And without knowing it, I actually found the source of the problem. But at the time I didn't know it, so I continued. Everything seemed to be working fine. And I parked the car again, came back, and again all the cameras were not working. And so I deactivated Sentry mode again, sort of not really knowing why, but I think I just wanted to put the car in sleep again. And when I came back, everything was working fine. So I decided to call Tesla at that point, and got on the phone with them from the car. And they basically looked at the remote logs, and they said that it's a known issue with Sentry mode, and that they were fixing it in an update that was coming out soon. So basically they said the workaround is to completely deactivate Sentry mode, which I did, and ever since I've done that, I've had no problem whatsoever. The car's been working fine. So just as you know, if anybody you know is having this issue, or if you're yourself having it, this might be the solution. At least it worked for me really well. And so yeah, that was a little bit of a flaw for the car. I'm a little bit disappointed, but it's not unexpected. I was expecting a car like this one to have issues, although this one was, let's say, a much larger issue than I had anticipated. So if you like this video, put a thumbs up, and that will actually help me get more noticed. So really, please do it. And if you want to see more content like this, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll do my best to try to put videos as soon as I can edit them. And also don't hesitate to put a comment to let me know what you'd like to see covered, or any questions you may have. If you're interested in buying a Tesla, don't forget to use the referral code. It'll get you 1,500 kilometers of supercharger electricity, which is always nice. And so that's it for today. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.